Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to publish an announcement. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So, on your phone, make sure you have access to the announcement channel, as in like you have the correct roles to be able to use it. And then click on the announcement channel on the Discord. And then from here, click on the top there. And then right here in your settings, if you click on your settings, if you scroll down, you'll notice that it says announcement channel. And then just make sure that you have this turned on. I don't believe that you can turn this on from mobile, but if you turn it on from PC and you come into that channel, anything that you post in this channel will now be an announcement, and then underneath it it'll say publish. If you want to publish it, then you can go ahead and publish the announcement. I don't have any videos or announcements to make right now, so I'm not going to publish one personally, but that is how you do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.